Guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to see who you blocked on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time you've probably gone and blocked a lot of different people, and now you want to go and see who they are, and maybe you even want to go in and block some of them as well. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you go and know what you need to do. So first of all, open Instagram and head to your profile page like so, by pressing on the profile button in the bottom right. Alright, now you need to go and click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. This will open up settings and activity. Then all you need to do is scroll down until you can see blocked and the who can see your content section. Tap there and here you can see who you blocked. If you want to go and unblock them, just click on unblock. So that's it. That is how to see who you blocked on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.